Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is use of has and have. In Iqra Applied Grammar book, open your books on page 18. This lesson is only for Varsak branch student. Other branches will follow their lesson. For to learn their grammar, use of has and have. Students, has and have, they are present tense auxiliaries. Has is used with subject he, she, it, pronoun he, she, it, while have is used with subject you, we, they. He, she, it agree with has and you, we, they agree with have. Students, in negative case, we will not use has for the pronouns he, she, it, but we will use does not have. We will use does not have in negative case with subject he, she, it. Keep it in mind. Like, I have 5 pencils, I do not have 5 pencils. You have many toys, you do not have many toys. We have 3 books, we do not have 3 books. They have woolen gloves, they do not have woolen gloves. He has new gadgets. Students, auxiliary has is used with subject he, she, it, but in negative case we do not use has not, but we will use does not have. We will use in negative case does not have with subject he, she, it. Like, he has new gadgets, he does not have new gadgets. She has beautiful paintings, she does not have beautiful paintings. Let's start to read the poem. Rain has drops, sun has shine, moon has beams that makes us fine. Rivers have banks, deserts have sands, forests have trees that makes us glee. Practice. Look at the practice and circle the correct option. Students, you will look at the pictures and circle the correct option. They do not have a car because they have a tractor. Tractor. You have brown shoes. He has a coat. She does not have a pretty doll. We do not have a computer. I have beautiful glasses. Complete the sentences so they are true for you. Write have or do not have. I have blue joggers. I have a pink bag. I do not have a white shirt. I do not have a bicycle. I have 2 brothers. I have lots of cousins. With your own choice, you can write have or do not have in these blanks. Extended practice. Look and complete the sentences with words below. There are 2 options, capes and bicycle. They have 2 caps. They have 2 caps. They do not have bicycles. They have 2 caps, but they do not have bicycles. He has 1 ox. He does not have tractor. He has 1 ox, but he does not have tractor. She has a purse. She does not have school bag. She has a purse, but she does not have school bag. You have a bicycle. You do not have bike. You have a bicycle, but you do not have bike. I have a football. I do not have bat. I have a football, but I do not have bat. World Bank. Students, these are the Word Bank. Word Bank. Learn to speak. Tell your partner about 2 things you have and 2 things you do not have. This is your activity. For example, I have a coat, but I do not have a jacket. Now tell your class about the things your partner has and does not have. This is also your activity. He has a coat, but he does not have a jacket. Ask and reply. Do you, we, they or I? Do I have a mobile? If yes, then you will choose yes I do. If no, then you will choose no I don't. Does she have a mobile? If yes, then you will choose yes she does. If not, then you will choose no she doesn't. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Do you have a bike? Do you have siblings? Siblings behan bhai. Do your father have a car? Does your sister have a gold ring? Do your friends have video games? This is your activity. You will write the answers of these questions in your activity copy. Let's compare. Write 5 sentences on the things that you have but your friend does not have, and 5 sentences on the thing that your friend have. Students, you will write has that your friend. Students, this activity will be done by yourself in your activity copy. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. Students, you will also bring your calligraphy copy for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.